Hello, my name is Robert Kasowski. I worked 35 years in R&D at DuPont Company, and there I was an expert in flame retardants, especially environmentally friendly ones to keep plastics from burning. In 10 years since retirement, I've continued my work on my own and invented a flame retardant. It's a fertilizer that I think stops the progression of a wildfire no matter what size. And so, in order to try to study this problem or to solve this problem of wildfires, the first thing you need to do is create a lab test. And in this lab test, you have to be able to simulate the intense forest fire conditions. The biggest, baddest forest fire will have a maximum temperature of 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, a fire front of 10,000 kilowatts per meter. I mean, that's a lot. Can be 160 foot, 5 foot tall, and that boils down to a fire front of 0.13 kilowatts per square inch. Now, fortunately, with a MAP gas torch from Home Depot or Lowe's, that, according to the manufacturer, gives out 6,700 BTUs to a 2-inch pipe that's 18 inches long. That turns out to be 0.62 kilowatts per square inch, and a temperature of 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, both much higher than that of a really bad forest fire. Now, in the left pipe here, we've taken a 3/8 by 18-inch dowel, and we've coated with our solution we call no embers because it stops the formation of embers. And on the right side, we have a control, which is 3/8 by 18-inch dowel, uncoated. And we're going to burn this for 4 minutes at forest fire conditions plus. And let me say that the no ember solution is EPA approved, environmentally friendly, and let's now do our test. These are the torches from Lowe's, and actually, and okay, look at the timer. We're going to go 4 minutes. Now, the purpose of the pipe is so that the flame front is contained and it goes over the entire stick. There's no place for the flame front to escape. The rising heat is so quick that it doesn't have much time to transfer to the iron pipe. mention that this sort of experiment works even better when you have a thicker piece of fuel. This is a 1/2 inch instead of 3/8 inch, and very little burned because it takes much longer to get this stick up to a temperature at which it evaporates vapors, so that then you can have a fire because only vapors burn. Well, let's take a look here at what we have with the uncoated, and we see there's not too much left. Really total consumption of the fuel. Now in the coated stick, now that's just downright amazing. Every time I do this, I can't believe it works so well. It's beyond any expectation I ever had. So if you do this in a real forest fire, I mean, you really take the fuel out of the equation. So let me just summarize what we've seen here, or what we've done. So anyway, no embers solution can stop a forest fire by applying a 15 mil coating to strip of fuel in front of a fire at a safe distance. And for small fires, it can be a few feet. So if you have a rim kind of fire, it could probably be 500 feet. Now, embers not formed due to protective crust. We see that we've just dramatically reduced the rate of fuel consumption, and the fuel load has been slashed. So this is a very difficult test, but very easily reproduced compared to other technologies. My name is Robert Kosowski. This is my phone number if anyone's interested. My website, name of my company. And in the field, we have in fact done a test where we applied the no embers with a Stihl SR 450, and it worked fantastic. And we have that video on YouTube, and it applies to all fires. Thank you very much. Got it? Killed it?
I got a low battery indicator. I don't know what's going to...
No, that's fine.
I don't know.
That's not a problem.
Did it stop you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thanks a lot, George.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
I'm not sure. I couldn't tell for sure. I'm not sure you're going to be able to read the charts.
Well, Mike did one earlier this morning. Had no problems reading it.
Oh, you can read it on the camera? Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because I just didn't have my glasses on.
Yeah. No, I think we'll be fine.
Okay,
George, I appreciate it. Let me go put it on. See what we got.
So, the battery thing came on right after.
Yeah. No, that's going to be fine. Yeah. We had 20%, so it should be. That shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Anyway, I appreciate it. I'll keep doing it till I get it right. But I think with that chart, it's something, people read and retain. Or if you talk at them, it's in one ear and out the other, if you're like me. Okay, good night, George.